What's up, guys? As usual, this is Rafiki. In last video, we saw how to put different openings like doors and windows in floor plan in order to make a complete floor plan. So in today's video, we are going to see how to guess what? Yes, we are going to see how to put the text in a floor plan. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. Go to ground floor plan. Yes, it is ready, and then you go to document, choose document, click on it, and then you see text tool. In this toolbar, click on text tool, and then this tab, it opens for different details. If you want to change the font size of your letters, you're gonna click on this and then choose your font size. If you want to change the color, for example, let's use this blue color, you click on it. If you want your text to be in a bold or italic or to be underlined, yes, it is easy. You're gonna use all of these above settings and then click OK. So you bring your cursor over here and then left click and then adjust the size of your text and then left click again. Like this is a living room, okay, and then click OK. To click OK, you click on right click of your mouse and then click OK. It is in the same way for this dining room. Yes, right click and then drag your mouse, and then this is a dining hall. Then click OK. It is easy. You come to this bedroom, visitors bedroom, and then this is a bedroom. Click OK. You see, guys, the things is easy with the Rafiki if you have subscribed to this channel. Yes, congratulations for you. But if not, please subscribe in order to get some more videos like this. If you want to be a master in Archicad, this is also a bedroom, not a room. Room for what? Bedroom. And then click OK. Let's click and then OK. Yes. Yes, you continue in this way. This is also a bedroom. Click OK. This is also a bedroom. So now we are going to see how to rotate the text. For example, like this, we want to put the text in this corridor. Let's, for example, this is a corridor, and then click OK. This is a corridor, but it comes in the way we don't want. We want to rotate this. You come to this arrow, click on arrow, and then select this one, and right click, choose move, and then rotate, or simply hit Ctrl plus E. Yes, I want to rotate it in this way. Rotate to the 90 degree. Press enter. Okay, this is a corridor. Yes, you see, if you want to drag it, right click, choose move, and then drag. You see, I can move my text where I want to put it. You see, it is easy. Okay. So another thing is, you see, I want to stretch this text in order to make it fit in this position, in this corridor. I'm gonna choose this one, click on this corner, and then come here to stretch it in the way you want. For example, later this, you see, for text. Now it is ready, and then Control plus E or move, and then drag Control D. Okay, corridor, corridor. Mm, yes, corridor. And this is also a corridor. We come to text. Text. Um, okay. This is also a corridor. Corridor. And then you click OK. So you see guys, the things is very easy. In the next video we will see how to put the dimensions, the outside dimensions, in order to specify, for example, from here up to here it is 4 meter, from here up to here it is 3 meter. This door, this window, for example, it is 1 meter, to specify it for, in order for the engineer to know how to set this building by the time of construction work. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We love you so much. Thank you.